Friends, welcome to my channel Sakariya. Today I am share Amritsar bari, which is the urad dal bari, and weight of 5 gram. I paid amount of 125. Like that, a piece of lettuce and dry run and some light for 15 to 20 days. Let's cook it. Firstly, I am taking two wadi because I am cooking for two people only. Firstly, heat up this kind of bowl. I am using this kind for cooking vegetable. Let's fry. I am using homemade butter for roasted wadi. Look at. You also can use ready-made butter. Firstly, we roasted vadia in butter. After roasting like that, be able to crush it. I'm crush it with this flat spatula. Pouring some more butter after crushing bari. Now roasted ingredient to absorb butter inner side of the bari also. In this point, we take out that barrier from deep bowl. I am taking 1.5 onion, some garlic, and using green chili because I am not using red chili powder, so I am using green chili in extra amount. Now we firstly grind the onion to the puree. I am prepared my puree, onion puree, and again using this bowl, pan, whatever you say. Again I am using this bowl, deep bowl, and pour some mustard oil, approximately 2.5 spoon, and in this stage when oil is heat and changing its color, now we add cumin seeds, add 1 bay leaf. Now pouring onion paste puree and roughly made paste, not fine paste. The thickness of onion came in the recipe, and with slightly some spiciness. Cook until the paste of onion becomes some brownish. Now we need second puree of tomato, garlic, and using some green chili. Let's grind it. I prepared my puree and roughly grind it because the thickness of gravy maintained by it and it tastes better than fine puree. Now I am using some potato. It's too small. I'm using 5 pieces of potato. Now you look, I am change its color and we add tomato puree. Turn the gas on medium flame and I marinated tomato puree, and let's add some spices. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, cumin seed powder. After mixing, half teaspoon coriander powder, and bus, that is enough. And then I'm cut the potato, and now I'm using low flame to cook the you look at the gravy become thicker. Now we waiting 10 minutes to cook it properly. Finally, it's properly cooked. Now we turn off the gas. Enjoy the wadi recipe.